niya, kanina ka pa naisipan, Daddy.
Okay. Wala. Lagi na dyan.
Hindi rin huhugutin ng cellphone ko. Nasa labas ng sasakyan.
Nobody's does that. People here are rich. You know, steal.
You see my cellphone na dyan? Looking for the building outside the car.
Mama,
Yes.
ano yan?
Ay, nasan ba yung building ng friend ko dati?
Ah, sino yan?
Friend,
Ex-friend?
you know. Friend.
Kita mo yan, bebe? Grabe pala ang building sa Vancouver. Grabe, ang dagat na dun, no?
Yeah. We will
Grabe ang
see.
building. Tumasang talagang pataasan ng building. No?
Oh, that looks like my truck.
Minecraft, yeah.
Yeah, and the other one is like
Sa mismong city talaga ang madaming ano.
The downtown area. Pero ngayon, Saturday is not that traffic.
Dad,
Alam niyo, did you see that building ang kakaiba, oh?